Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix loafs, stuttering in Hogwarts Legacy. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Simple update. Graphics drivers. Content outdated or corrupted. Graphics drivers are a common cause of loafs and stuttering. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA and/or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific card model. Ensure you completely and install your old drivers before installing the new ones using the manufacturer's provided uninstaller. Restart your computer after the installation is complete to allow the changes to take effect. This often resolves compatibility issues and unlocks performance optimizations included in the update drivers. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Content Hogwarts Legacy offers a range of graphical settings that impact performance. Lowering settings like shadow quality, texture resolution, crowd density, and anti-aliasing can significantly improve. Experiment with different combinations of settings to find the optimal balance between visual fidelity and performance. Begin by reducing the settings that have the most visual impact, while having less noticeable effects on your gameplay experience. Consider turning off ray tracing entirely, as it is particularly demanding. Step. Close background applications. Content running multiple applications simultaneously can consume system resources, leading to performance issues. Before launching Hogwarts Legacy, close all unnecessary programs and browser tabs. This frees up compute and RAM, allowing more resources to be allocated to the game, thus improving and reducing stuttering. Use Task Manager Frost on Windows to identify and close resource-intensive applications. Step. Optimize Windows settings. Content Windows settings can also impact game performance. Ensure that your power plan is set to high performance. Additionally, consider disabling or limiting the use of background processes like Windows Search and Windows Defender updates during gameplay. These adjustments can provide a noticeable performance boost by freeing up system resources. You might also consider disabling the Xbox Game Bar overlay, as it can affect performance in certain games. Step. Verify game files and reinstall if necessary. Content corrupted game files can cause performance problems. Use the game launcher's built-in verification tool, if available, to check the integrity of your game files and automatically repair any corrupted files. If this doesn't resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game entirely. This ensures a fresh, clean installation without any corrupted or missing files that may be impacting performance. Be sure to back up your saved data before uninstalling.